Good morning. I am Anil Kounto, Chairman of Alcon Group of Company, Anil Kounto Enterprises. We have 5 verticals, namely construction and real estate, manufacturing, hospitality, logistic and trading. To be very frank with you, we have got 2 main industries in the constituency of our beloved Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant in his Sakeli constituency. It is Alcon cement plant as well as Kothambi plant. On the occasion of the birthday of our Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, I extend my warmest wishes for his good health and continued success in leading Goa. I have had the privilege of operating 2 of our key projects in his constituency for our Alcon cement plant and Kothambi plant and Kothambi jetty. I sincerely acknowledge his consistent support and accessibility, which has helped us resolve local concerns smoothly and maintain strong relations with the community. Inspired by his people-centric approach, we have also initiated permanent medical health centers at Kothambi and Sulla for the benefit of villagers. What I particularly admire is his keen interest in development and innovation. We have got an R&D division at Kothambi. During his visit to our R&D division at our request, his sharp grasp of technical subjects and his encouragement towards sustainable and durable construction solutions were truly impressive. Under his leadership, Goa is witnessing significant progress, be it in the field of infrastructure development, promotion of startups and industry through progressive policies or initiatives like Sawant Goa that empower local communities. I am confident Goa will continue to grow from strength to strength under his dynamic leadership. I wish him a very happy birthday and a long, healthy and successful life.